Good evening. It is Mr. Joe Biden. He is the president elect for United States of America. As all of you have observed, there was a very tough fight, rather very critical one, because the election process is such and it was swinging in both the ways. And finally, Joe Biden became the president of United States of America. Of course, he will be taking over from January 20th. From January 20th to 2021, he is going to be the president of America, United States of America officially. And if you look at Joe Biden, earlier he served as the vice president of America for 8 years, meaning two terms. At the time, Barack Hussein Obama was the president, and the vice president was Joe Biden, and considered to be an expert in foreign relations and foreign affairs, and that is definitely going to helpful to various other countries. And obviously, so this is a general talk whenever any election held in any country, every country looks in terms of the good relations with other countries, and especially when it comes to the elections of America, entire world looks towards that. So this is what happened this time, and finally Joe Biden got the majority. And the most beautiful thing with respect to America this time is that for the first time in the history, in the long history of America, a woman got elected as the vice president. There were incidents, like two incidents earlier, where women members contested, but they did not get elected. But this time, Kamala Devi Harris became the, she will be the first woman vice president of United States of America. And please remember, unlike India, in India, president elections are conducted separately and vice president elections are held separately. But whereas in United States of America, the president and vice president elections go hand in hand, meaning the president, who is the person who is going to be contesting as the president, that person will be announcing the name of the vice president well in advance. Meaning, if the so-called a person becomes the president, and whoever has been nominated by that person will be the vice president. And that is the reason why for Donald Trump it was Mike Pence, and for Joe Biden's it is Kamala Harris. All right, and this is the process in United States of America. So please remember this. And what you call, the president's spouse, right? So far only men became the president of America. No woman became the president of America so far. Maybe this is also going to be changed very, very, very soon, right? Maybe in the next election or after that, right? So now, if you look at the whole world today, every world, right, in every country, there is a surge of women members. So they are excelling in politics, they are excelling in education, they are excelling in business. In every walk of life, women are excelling. So this is a wonderful phenomenon as far as America is also concerned. For the first time, a woman, Kamala Devi Harris, will be the vice president of United States of America, right? So now, regarding this, I would like to show you some points, and before that I would like to tell you something. Every year, Jal Shakti Ministry Jal Shakti Ministry will provide some awards. This time also has been provided for the year 2019 with respect to water. The most important one, with respect to water, a state has bagged the first prize. And what is that state? Why? All these things, let's try to look into this. Look at this. So this is the question here. Which of the following states has bagged the first best state category in the National Water Awards of the year 2019? National Water Awards of the year 2019. Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat or Kerala? Please remember, whenever the concept of water is coming into picture, this is always important, and the answer is option B. This is Tamil Nadu. Please remember this. So answer is B. Look at this. Tamil Nadu has bagged the first place in best state category in the National Water Awards of 2019. And please remember, so this is presented by the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. Clear? But why Tamil Nadu has bagged this? Because of the continuous work that was made by the government of Tamil Nadu towards this. Look at this. The construction of 100 check dams and anicuts, the stabilization of the command area to the extent of 2.85 lakh hectares through Kudimaramatu, and the coverage of over 2 lakh hectares through micro irrigation are among the factors of the further recognition. Kindly see here, for the examination point of view, you should know what do you mean by check dams, what are the anicuts, right? And what are the micro irrigation facilities. All these things you must know, and your geography faculty member has taught you all these things in the classes. That is the reason why, without going into the details of this, we are just going ahead. And very frequently you will come across with this area. This is called command area, right? So what is the command area? What do you mean by anicut? What do you mean by check dams? Everything you are expected to be very, 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 very clear. Clear? Next I am going ahead, and if you look at this, the awards, these are presented in 16 categories, including the best state, best district, best village panchayat, best urban local body, best research, innovation, new technology, and best education. Like this, in various categories this is presented, and each category has subcategories in different zones of the country. Right? Very, very, very important one. Tamil Nadu government is spending good amount of money on this, and Tamil Nadu has bagged this particular award. Now we know the answer for this. You are already following this. Who of the following is the first woman vice president of America? Hillary Clinton, Todd Palin, or John Zaccaro, or D. Kamala Devi Harris? And you know the answer, and the answer is option D, that is Kamala Devi Harris. Look at this. So generally what happens, if you look at, the president or vice president, if the president is male, the wife of the president is called the first lady. And when the male vice president is there, the wife of the vice president is called the second lady. Alright? For the first time, a woman became the vice president of America. So then what do you call her spouse? This is important. Clear? And that particular person is considered to be the second gentleman of USA. Clear? First means for the first time a man became the second gentleman of USA, meaning second gentleman in the sense the vice president's spouse. Very, very, very important. Maybe in future a woman becomes the president of America. Definitely that is going to happen. That will be a good thing. Right? This is going to happen. At the time, the spouse, the husband of that president, will be called the first gentleman. Right? And please remember this. As far as Kamala Devi Harris is concerned, name of her husband is Douglas Emhoff. So that's about the class today, and I'll see you in the next class with more and more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.